Every morning, millions of people make a cup of tea or coffee and prepare their breakfast. Yet, they completely overlook one remarkable ingredient sitting in their kitchen cupboard, a true gift from God, filled with extraordinary natural healing benefits. These tiny flower buds, known as cloves, possess remarkable natural properties that could have a noticeable positive impact on your health in as little as 7 days. Modern scientific research has uncovered some truly surprising facts about cloves, findings that are both fascinating and thought-provoking. Once you start using cloves correctly, your body begins a natural healing process within just a few hours. With each passing day, that process becomes stronger, and in as little as 7 days, you may begin to notice positive changes that can support your overall health and well-being. Before we look at the benefits you could experience over those 7 days, there's one important point you need to understand. If cloves are used incorrectly, many of their potential benefits can be lost, and in some cases, they may even cause unwanted side effects. The real power of cloves comes from a natural compound called eugenol. This is the ingredient responsible for their distinctive aroma, rich flavor, and many of their health-supporting properties. Around 70–90% of clove oil consists of eugenol. Cloves also contain other valuable natural compounds, including eugenol acetate and gallic acid. Together, these act as powerful antioxidants, helping to protect the body's cells from oxidative stress and supporting overall health. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, a safe daily intake of eugenol is approximately 2.5 mg per kilogram of body weight. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms would have a recommended safe intake of around 175 milligrams of eugenol. Roughly 2 whole cloves provide about this amount, which is why eating 2 cloves a day is generally considered a sensible and safe amount for most healthy adults. It's also worth remembering that cloves deliver the greatest benefits when they're used fresh. Prolonged cooking or exposure to very high heat can reduce both the amount of eugenol they contain and its effectiveness. When cloves are used in the right quantity and in the correct way, they may offer a range of impressive health benefits within just 7 days. Now, let's take a look at the positive changes that may begin to happen in your body over the course of those 7 days. Day 1, powerful antioxidant protection. Within just a few hours of eating 2 whole cloves, your body begins to experience positive changes. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and are considered to have a higher antioxidant capacity than many fruits, vegetables, and other common spices. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the damage they can cause to your body's cells. Cloves may also help support the body's production of glutathione, one of its most important natural antioxidants. Glutathione plays a vital role in protecting cells from oxidative damage and supports overall health, particularly the health of the heart and blood vessels. The natural compound eugenol helps reduce oxidative stress, a process linked to the development of clogged arteries and cardiovascular disease. Research suggests that people who regularly include cloves in a balanced diet tend to show lower levels of oxidative stress than those who do not. These powerful antioxidants may also help protect the brain. From the very first day, they begin supporting brain cells by helping to reduce oxidative damage, which may contribute to maintaining healthy cognitive function as we age. Some research suggests this could play a role in lowering the risk of age-related cognitive decline, including conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Although more human studies are needed, day 2, your immune system starts to strengthen by. The second day, your immune system may begin to function more efficiently, improving your body's natural ability to defend itself against illness. Research indicates that the natural compounds found in cloves possess antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, helping to support the body's defenses against a wide range of harmful microbes. During this time, white blood cells become more effective at recognizing and responding to invading bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Eugenol and the other beneficial compounds in cloves create a less favorable environment for many harmful microorganisms, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. These benefits extend beyond helping to fight infections. A healthier balance of microbes may also support digestive health and contribute to overall well-being. Laboratory studies have shown that clove oil has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral activity, and some of these effects can be observed within a short period. However, it's important to note that much of this evidence comes from laboratory and animal studies, so more high-quality human research is needed to confirm the same effects in people. Natural immune cells, including natural killer NK cells and neutrophils, may also become more effective in identifying and eliminating harmful pathogens. Several studies have found that people who regularly consume cloves as part of a healthy diet may have a lower risk of certain respiratory infections and seasonal colds, particularly during the winter months when viruses are more common. However, cloves should be viewed as a supportive part of a healthy lifestyle, rather than a substitute for medical treatment or vaccination. Day 3, better blood sugar control. By the third day, your body may begin regulating glucose more efficiently, an effect that can be difficult to achieve through lifestyle changes alone. Research suggests that cloves may help improve insulin function and support healthier blood sugar regulation. The natural compounds in cloves may increase insulin sensitivity, allowing glucose to move more easily into the body's cells where it's used for energy. A 2019 study found that people who took 250 milligrams of clove extract daily for 1 month had lower post-meal blood sugar levels, regardless of whether they had diabetes. However, this research involved a clove extract rather than whole cloves, so the results may not be directly comparable. Some people may begin noticing subtle effects from whole cloves within a few days, as their natural compounds support the body's normal glucose metabolism, although individual results will vary. Cloves are also a good source of manganese, an essential mineral involved in normal insulin production and healthy glucose metabolism. In addition, the antioxidants found in cloves may help protect the beta cells of the pancreas from oxidative stress, supporting their ability to produce insulin. Most of the evidence for this comes from laboratory and animal studies, so more research in humans is still needed. When blood sugar remains more stable, many people experience fewer cravings for sugary foods, along with steadier energy levels and improved concentration throughout the day. Day 4, supporting liver health. By the 4th day, the benefits of cloves may also begin supporting your liver. Research suggests that eugenol, the main active compound in cloves, may help protect the liver against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with conditions such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NALLD, and other forms of liver damage. However, much of this evidence comes from animal and laboratory studies rather than large clinical trials in humans. During this time, your liver continues carrying out its vital functions more efficiently, including filtering harmful substances from the bloodstream and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Cloves help protect the liver in several ways. Their powerful antioxidants may shield liver cells from oxidative damage caused by toxins and unstable molecules. At the same time, eugenol appears to support the body's natural repair processes, which may help damaged liver cells recover more effectively. Cloves may also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress within the liver, further supporting healthy liver function. A healthy liver benefits the entire body. It processes medicines, filters harmful substances from the blood, produces essential proteins, and plays a central role in regulating metabolism. Some clinical and experimental studies have reported improvements in certain liver function markers among people with liver-related conditions who regularly consumed clove-based preparations. However, the evidence remains limited, and cloves should not be considered a treatment for liver disease. As liver function improves, the immune system may also work more effectively. as a healthy liver plays an important role in helping the body defend itself against harmful microbes and toxins. Day 5, supporting heart and blood vessel health. By the 5th day, the benefits of cloves may begin to have a noticeable effect on your cardiovascular system. The powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in cloves help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors linked to the development of many heart conditions. As a result, blood vessels may remain more flexible, allowing the heart to pump blood around the body more efficiently. The natural compound Eugenol may also help reduce inflammation within the arteries, potentially supporting long-term heart health. Some studies suggest that cloves may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is another important factor in supporting cardiovascular well-being. However, more high-quality human research is needed to confirm these effects. Some people report improvements in circulation and blood pressure after several days of regular use. Although individual results can vary, and cloves should not replace prescribed medication or medical advice. Cloves are also a source of manganese, an essential mineral that helps maintain healthy blood vessels and supports normal circulation. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients can be delivered more efficiently to cells throughout the body, helping to support overall health and vitality. Day 6, strengthening the body's natural defenses. By the 6th day, the natural bioactive compounds in cloves continue to support the body's protective systems. Laboratory studies suggest that Eugenol and other bioactive compounds may slow the growth of certain abnormal cells under experimental conditions. The phenolic compounds found in cloves help strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms by protecting cells against oxidative stress. These powerful antioxidants also help reduce the damage caused by free radicals, which can otherwise harm DNA in healthy cells. Several early-stage laboratory studies have found that cloves may help protect cells in the digestive system from oxidative damage. An important point to remember: although laboratory and animal studies have produced encouraging results, there is no reliable evidence that eating cloves alone can prevent or treat cancer. Cloves should be viewed as part of a healthy, balanced diet, not as a replacement for medical treatment or cancer prevention strategies. Day 7. Relief from pain and inflammation. By the 7th day, the anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties of cloves may become more noticeable. Eugenol acts as a mild, natural anesthetic, which is why clove oil has been used for many years to provide temporary relief from toothache. It may also help reduce chronic inflammation, which is associated with conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, and other long-term health problems. Over time, supporting a healthier inflammatory response may contribute to improved overall well-being. The benefits of cloves aren't limited to your teeth and gums. They may also help ease discomfort in the joints, muscles, and other areas of the body. Research suggests that eugenol and other natural compounds may influence pain signaling pathways in the nervous system, helping to reduce the perception of pain and promote greater comfort. Cloves also contain flavonoids and other antioxidants that support the body's natural healing and recovery processes. Some people who consume cloves regularly report improvements in joint discomfort, persistent inflammation, and muscle aches, although individual experiences vary and more clinical research is needed. The bottom line: in as little as 7 days, when consumed in moderation and as part of a healthy, balanced diet, cloves may help provide a range of health benefits, including powerful antioxidant protection, better support for the immune system, improved blood sugar regulation, support for healthy liver function, better cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and mild pain relief. While the research on cloves is promising, they should be seen as a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle, not as a cure or a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you want to get the most from cloves, it's important to use them correctly. Always choose fresh, whole cloves. Try to avoid old or pre-ground cloves whenever possible, as once they're ground, their aromatic oils and many of their beneficial natural compounds gradually begin to break down. If you find the flavor too strong, you can lightly crush 2 cloves and take them with a teaspoon of pure honey, or add them to a warm cup of tea. Just bear in mind that prolonged heating may reduce some of their beneficial compounds. For the best results, consume 2 whole cloves a day, ideally after breakfast and at roughly the same time each day. Avoid taking more than this amount, as excessive consumption may cause stomach irritation, interfere with normal blood clotting, or place unnecessary strain on the liver. When used in moderation, cloves are generally considered safe for most healthy adults. However, some people should take extra care. The natural compound Eugenol can slow blood clotting. If you take blood-thinning medication, have a bleeding disorder, or are due to have surgery, you should speak to your GP or healthcare professional before using cloves regularly. Never swallow clove oil directly and never give it to children. Large amounts of clove oil can be harmful and in some cases may lead to seizures, liver damage, or problems with the body's fluid balance. Pregnant and breastfeeding women can usually consume cloves in normal food amounts. However, before taking larger amounts for health purposes, it's best to consult a healthcare professional, as evidence from human studies remains limited. If you experience mouth irritation, stomach upset, an allergic reaction, or any other unusual symptoms after using cloves, stop using them immediately and seek medical advice. Always store cloves in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight, moisture, and excessive heat. Good quality cloves should have a strong, rich aroma, feel firm when pressed, be a deep brown color. If the cloves have lost their fragrance or feel soft, they've likely lost much of their potency. So it's time to replace them with a fresh batch. To maximize the benefits, combine cloves with a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and good stress management. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also help support their potential health benefits. Some people find that taking cloves in the evening helps them feel more relaxed and sleep better, while others prefer taking them after breakfast. The best time may vary from person to person. This 7-day journey is just the beginning. When combined with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, regularly consuming cloves in moderation may continue to support your immune system, energy levels, heart health, metabolism, and overall well-being over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you're new to the channel so you never miss our latest evidence-based health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video with another fascinating health topic. Until then, take good care of yourself, goodbye, and stay healthy.